Reunion para kina AZ Martinez at Michael Sager ang kanilang fan meet. Sabi nila they owe the meetup to their fans dahil matagal na raw silang hindi nagkikita.
Hi, finally, may gumawa ng paraan. Kasi
Wow!
ito, ayaw na ako makita. Charing, joke lang. Ako, sobrang grateful ako for the whole meet and greet.
We are both respectively busy and natutuwa ako that, that's a good problem, right? And she's very busy with her own things. And ayun, I haven't seen her in a while to catch up.
One of the moments na memorable na nagkasama ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition batchmates ay para sa self-produced short film ni Michael last year.
It was just really a passion project and I was thinking of someone I wanted to be partnered up with. And I had really the first one that came to my mind was AZ.
Bakit si AZ yung unang mo naisip?
Oo nga.
I mean, well, alam niyo, yung character kasi nung girl doon sa Opposites Almost Attract, ano kasi siya, medyo hard to get, medyo suplada, oo. And sabi ko, I wanna see AZ in that sense na, we're really close na kasi.
Sabi ni Michael, hopeful siyang masundan pa raw ang films na gagawin niya.
Iba pala na ma-realize mo or ma-experience mo yung na-experience ng prod. Grabe, nakaka-stress din. But siguro because of that way, I'm able to go around all the roles in a setting of film production. And mas na-appreciate ko lalo, especially now in my serye in Born to Shine. I see the struggles of everybody.